Patrick. How's your morning going?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about how to talk about feelings in English today. And honestly, it made me think about my own feelings.
Yeah, I get that. Feelings are a big topic, but a really important one.
Definitely. And I think for English learners, talking about feelings can be scary.
For sure. Even native speakers sometimes struggle with it.
True. But before we go deeper, maybe we should introduce ourselves.
Good idea. Hi, everyone. I'm Shirley, and welcome back to our Easy English conversation.
And I'm Patrick. We speak slowly, clearly, and in very simple English so you can understand everything.
And we talk just like two real friends talking at a cafe.
Exactly. Nothing formal, nothing difficult, just natural, everyday English.
So today we'll talk about feelings happy, sad, tired, stressed, excited, everything.
And we'll also share personal stories because feelings are real and stories make learning easier.
And more fun.
Moving into the main topic, feelings. Talking about today's feelings.
Okay, Patrick, simple question first. How are you feeling today?
Hmm, I think I'm feeling calm. Not too tired, not too busy, just calm.
Calm is a nice feeling.
Yeah, it feels soft, like a warm blanket. How about you? How are you feeling today?
I feel happy. Not super excited, but just nice and happy.
Like a warm sunshine kind of happy?
Exactly.
Okay, let's talk about good feelings first. Happiness, excitement, relaxation.
So, Patrick, what makes you feel happy?
Good coffee, sleeping in, weekend mornings, and talking with friends.
Aw, that's sweet. What about you? What makes you feel happy? Music. I feel happy when I listen to my favorite songs. Also, warm cookies.
Oh, yeah. Cookies are emotional support food.
Yes.
Talking about sadness.
Talking about tiredness.
Another common feeling, tired.
Yes, I am tired many days.
Same. What makes you tired?
Working late, thinking too much, and honestly, staying on my phone at night.
Oh, that's a big one.
How about you?
I get tired when I don't sleep well or when I talk too much.
Talking too much? Surely you never talk too much.
Hey, okay, maybe a little.
Talking about embarrassment. Let's talk about feeling embarrassed.
Oh, wow, that's a fun one. I get embarrassed easily.
Really? Give me an example.
Okay, last week I waved at someone who was not waving at me.
Oh no,
I know, I wanted to disappear.
that's classic. I get embarrassed when I trip in public.
Oh, the little stumble.
Yes. And then you pretend nothing happens, but everyone knows. Now, let's talk about feeling angry, but in a simple way.
Right, not heavy anger, just normal life anger.
So, what makes you a little angry?
Slow internet. Very slow internet.
Yes, that is the worst.
You try to watch a video and buffering.
Okay, I get angry when people interrupt me many times.
That's fair. Now let's talk about feeling relaxed. What makes you feel relaxed?
Sitting outside in the evening, gentle wind, quiet street, that makes me feel peaceful.
That sounds nice. What relaxes you?
A long shower, warm water, soft music, instant relaxation.
Oh, yeah, that's perfect.
Let's talk about comfort. What makes you feel safe or comforted?
My close friends. Talking to them makes me feel calm.
Same. And warm food makes me feel comforted too, like soup on a cold day.
Yes, food has feelings. Okay, quick lesson. Here are some simple feeling words: happy, sad, tired, busy, stressed, excited, relaxed, angry, scared, bored.
And some simple phrases. I feel, I'm feeling, today I am, right now I feel.
Very easy, very useful.
Let's practice with some examples. Okay,
I feel happy when I drink coffee in the morning.
nice. My heart feels warm when I see my family.
Oh, that's sweet.
I feel nervous before a big meeting.
I feel calm when I listen to rain sounds.
That's a good one.
Sometimes we feel silly.
Oh, yes.
For example, I feel excited when I find a good parking spot.
Same. I feel proud when I remember my password on the first try.
Patrick, that is a big achievement. Okay, friends, today we talked about feelings: happy,
Sad,
stressed,
tired,
excited,
relaxed.
all of them.
Feelings are part of daily life, and talking about them helps us connect with others.
And remember, it's okay to have feelings, it's okay to talk about them, and it's okay to practice simple English.
Yes, use simple words. Say how you really feel. That is good communication.
And good English practice. So tell us in the comments, how are you feeling today?
We'd love to read your answers.
Thank you for learning with us,
Take care of your heart today.
and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.